Creating new file. Open your created folder. To create a new file, right-click on the Explorer and select New and select File Type available in the New option. The file types available in the New option depends upon the software installed in the computer. Now, here we have created a new text file. To rename this file, right-click and select Rename. To open this file, double-click on the file. Maximize button, used to maximize the window. Minimize button, used to minimize the file window. To close the file, select Close button. Text files. Files are permanent location of your work, identified by a name which stores data in various formats. Another way to create a file is to go to File menu, New, select your suitable file format.